Okay, so first of all, if I could just ask you what your name is.
I'm Catherine Hunt,
Okay, Catherine, and whereabout do you live?
Portslade.
Okay, and what do you do for a living?
I'm a special needs teacher.
Okay, and how did you feel about going to the dentist before? What's been your past experiences?
I have had difficulty with dentists in the past as a child. I was terrified. I had a lot of bad experiences. And when I moved to Brighton a long time ago, I'd given up a very good dentist in London, and I stopped attending the dentist. And the longer that it went on, the more nervous I became, and I think it was about 12 years until I finally plucked up the courage to come to the dentist, and I was absolutely terrified.
Okay, and how did you come to find us at the Village Dental Centre here in Patcham?
I looked you up on the internet, and I'd also looked up a website called Beyond Fear,
Okay,
which helps people with dental phobias.
okay, and what treatment did you have here at the dental practice?
The first thing that happened to me was that I had the hygienist, I think, and I was very scared. It was the first time that anybody looked in my mouth for 12 years. I was terrified of that, but it was actually fine.
Okay. And when you needed to have any treatment done with us, you had something we call sedation or sleep dentistry. How did you find that?
That was really good. I was very worried about having that because I was having to have a tooth removed. I was terrified about that. The last time that had happened to me, it had been very unpleasant experience. But the sedation was brilliant. I can't recommend it highly enough.
Okay, and you didn't remember too much of the experience either. It's amnesic, isn't it?
No, not at all.
Okay, and so now that you've been along here, you seem to be quite a regular. We see you quite regularly coming to the hygienist and coming to see myself. So you must feel quite proud that you've got over that hurdle.
I am, yes, very.
Okay.
Yes,
and so
I feel very different. I feel much more confident about my mouth and about everything.
That's great. Yeah. Okay, so you really achieved something with that. And would you have any problem about recommending us or sedation, sleep dentistry to anybody else who felt the same as yourself?
No. In fact, I've been in the waiting room on the previous occasion that I was here, and there was somebody waiting for an appointment for sedation, and he was very worried, and I told him there was nothing to worry about, that it was, a good, positive experience.
Good. Okay, well thanks for that. I didn't know you did that, but thank you for that.
That's all right.
Okay, thanks a lot, Catherine.